Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're doing the giveaway drawing for the Victorinox Fieldforce. I kind of messed up because I already have it boxed up, so I can't. I guess I could unbox it and show you the watch, but Victorinox Fieldforce is what we're giving away here. It is Sunday, 7/16. There'll be a little bit of a delay before I upload this video, but the watch is in here. I even wrote on here Victorinox, so I boxed it up a few days ago. But anyway, wrist check. Wearing my Seiko Grand Seiko. I was at a funeral yesterday, so I wanted to wear something a little more dressy, formal, whatever. So anyway, let's bring the computer over here. Also, if you don't win this one, we're approaching 2,000 subscribers here very soon, so I will be doing a giveaway for 2,000 subscribers. So if you don't win this one, stick around. I got another one coming up. Should be very soon here, getting pretty close to 2,000. So let's bring my ancient laptop here. I'll try and do this. I need to get a tablet one of these days. I can't really see what I'm doing here. Let's see, there's my cursor up there. Should be the URL in here. Let's see, copy. Yeah, so this is the watch here we're doing the giveaway drawing for right now. This watch was sent in by Saltzmans. I'll leave a link in the description to their website and their Instagram. But the watch was sent in by Saltzmans. I guess they're not really lending it because they're not getting it back. I'm giving it away to one of you guys, or I'm picking the winner. So anyway, see, paste, and then filter duplicate users, and the first person I pick will be the first winner, obviously. If I don't hear back from them, then I'll go down to the second one. So if I do select you here through this random comment picker, then send me an email. It's wrongtimewatch@gmail.com, but that'll also be in the description. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's see, I think I hit start. Did I pick someone or not? All right, so I messed up. I have to click this get comments. So let me, this is like my fourth or fifth giveaway. I think I'd be better at doing this. So let me just copy and paste this again so I'm doing the right one. Copy. Paste. Filter duplicates. Get YouTube comments. Okay, there we go. 112 unique comments. Now when I click the start button, it should pick a winner here. Okay, we got Earl B31. Send me an email. If I don't hear back from Earl B31. Then we'll go to the second choice here. Okay, pick another winner. This is the second person here. If I don't hear back from Earl B, Mr. Gwynn. And then we'll just pick one more here. Okay, Scott Walker. So there we have it. I'll post up this video here. Thanks for sticking around. Sorry about the, well, it's not really technical difficulties, it's more user error. But anyway, we got 3 people here. And like I said, if you didn't win this drawing, just stick around. Almost to 2,000 here. Should be within the next couple weeks, and I'll do a giveaway drawing for that as well. So as always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.